Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Nintendo Switch left Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, using a pry tool, gently lift the not working battery. Next, place and secure the new battery on the body with some adhesive. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.